What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another LEGO video, and today we're gonna be making this off-brand LEGO fire truck set. So let's get started. So as you can tell, this is not LEGO. This is off-brand LEGO. But I thought it was pretty cool. I got it off of Amazon, so yeah, let's start building it. It's a bigger box than the last video I did, but let's see what's inside. Here's my screwdriver. Okay. Okay, there we go. Got it open. It even has numbered bags. That's pretty cool. Wait, are one of these bags open or something? What is this? Oh, it's a... Oh, that's cool. So they give you like a little brick separator. That's cool. But it looks really different from LEGO. I mean, let me find one in LEGO real quick. I have a bunch of them. So this is LEGO's version. And then this is the off-brand LEGO that I just got. So yeah, they're pretty different, but they're the same size, just different. This one's of course damaged because I used a lot of them. But I don't use brick separators anymore. I use a screwdriver now, like the tip of it, the flat end. That's what I normally use. Put this in there, slide it on in. Okay. Yeah, we got a lot more bags this time, so we gotta take this a little more slow. Of course, I'll put this in as the background, but this one's a lot more big. Oh yeah. As long as it doesn't fall, we're good. None of these bags have numbers, so this one's going to be a little tough. I'm trying to figure out which one goes first. I can't all unpackage them at once, because then how am I going to know which one to unbox, which one to unpackage first? Wait. Hold on. Oh. Hold on a second. Ah, there's numbers at the bottom left corner of the bags. Okay. So we got bags number 1. We got bags number 2. Okay, so I figured it out. There's also bag number 2. These must be number 3. No, this is number... What's this one? I don't know what this one is, but I guess it's just extra parts. Okay, so I'm going to start off with unpackaging bags 1 with the first bag. Okay. So, as you can see, at the bottom left corner it says 1. So, yeah, that's how I figured it out. Dropped a couple pieces. Maybe we got printed ones. Like printed pieces. That's pretty cool. This is a very deep blue. I'm not sure if I like this. I think I'm just gonna replace it with a different one, because this one, I'm not sure. It looks too blue to be a windshield. It looks too dark to be a windshield. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna replace it with a different one. I don't know if I can find one, that's for sure. Alright, hold on a sec. Let me just try. Oh, I found one. Okay, good. Okay. Now I put this one back. Okay. I got one that's actually in Lego. Okay. The heck? Anyways. Sorry, that was my computer. Let's get started. These are actually some pretty good instructions. Okay. This piece is falling off my desk. Okay, so we need... Yes, so we need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need a 2x12 Technic plates. I don't think these actually exist in Lego, but try and find something equivalent to that. And then you're gonna take, yeah, 2x12. Oh, it even tells you what they are for the big ones. And then you're gonna take a 2x6 plate. These are all in black, and you're gonna put it right in the front. And then you're gonna take 3 1x2 plates. Oh, they're probably in that small bag, aren't they? Yeah, they probably are. Yeah, they are. Okay, so we're gonna need this open as well. I have a good idea. Yeah, these are 2x2 transparent red tiles. Oh no, one fell. I'll find it. No. I found it. And I got it. Wait. No, that's not it. I don't know what fell. Oh, I found it. Okay. Alright. Okay. And then you're going to take 3 1x2 plates. Let me get them. 1, 2. And then I put one right there. There. And then another one in the back. Just like that. And then I'm going to take two 3x3 plates in black. Yes, these do exist, by the way, if you're wondering. They do exist. Oh, that's cool. Rescue ladder. Yeah. This one, I think, is actually an American design. I'm not going to lie. This is, like, literally an American design. I can tell. Because it has red lights. And it looks like it's American. I mean, seriously. It's American. I need to find this one piece, but I can't seem to find it in here. There's always something that goes wrong in one of these. Oh, wait, I found it. Okay. And then you're just going to set them right there. Okay. Then you're going to take this 1x4 plate with pins on each side. And then you're going to put these light bluish gray rims in them. And then put the tires on them. These are actually pretty close to Lego. I'm building the off-brand Lego trains last year that I got off of Amazon for Christmas. Right before I started the channel. I built these Lego trains that were off-brand Lego. Anyways, when you're done with that, you gotta put it right in the back. That's why there's that 2 gap space right there is for that. And then you do the same thing, but except you're gonna do the 2x2 plate variant. So you're gonna take 2 of these and then put them in the front gap. And then, of course, put the rims in them. Usual crap. And then the tires. Of course, the tires. Of course, the tires. Ow! Jeez. Good lord. What the frick? Okay. So there we go. Next page. You're going to take the second 2x12 Technic plate and just set it on over that. Just like that. And then you take 2 1x4 plates. I'm going to place some right there. And right there. And then you take 2 1x3 plates. And you're going to place them there and there. Just like that. Okay. And then you're going to take 2 1x3 plates in white. And you're going to place them there and right there. And you take 2 1x2 plates in white. And then put them there and there. My lamp's starting to freak out. It's starting to flash. That's after being used for a while, it starts flashing. Then you're going to take 2 1x5 bricks, which don't exist with Lego yet, but there are 1x5 plates in Lego. But you can just use like a 1x4 and 1x1 brick. So you're gonna put them oh yeah, it's really freaking out now. There and right there. Wait a minute. Oh, I did it wrong. It's not gonna be in the front, it's gonna be in that space in the back. Like that. See? Okay. In the front, you're gonna place another of my 2 plates. In black. And then take a 2x2 tile, and you're gonna place it right there. Another with my 2 plates. And then a with my 4 plates. Yeah. To finish that off. Oh yeah, here it comes. Here comes the rollout. Okay. You need... Bro, this lamp is freaking out. How about this? Oh, it just got real dark. Okay. We're just gonna have to leave it on and just deal with the flashing. It's not like it's gonna stop flashing. I think we'll live. Okay, next you're gonna take 2 1x8 plates. Oh wait, hold on. Actually, no. I'm gonna take 2 of these 2x2 wheel holder pieces. I don't know. I forgot what they're called. I'm gonna set them above the front tires, like that. And then you're gonna take a 2x4 plate and you're gonna place it in the back. Just like that. And actually, yours, I forgot to put a 2x4 plate there, so you're gonna stack 2 of them and put them right there. And then you're gonna take 2 bricks with knobs in red, and then you're gonna put them in the. Oh my god! Well, this is why I hate working on my desk. Such a small place. So like that. And then I'm going to take 4 with my 2 inverted 45-degree slope bricks in red. And then you're going to put them by the wheel holder things, whatever they're called. And then put... Oh my god. It's okay, I'm fine. I'm fine. Hold on. I can get this back into place. Let me see if I dropped anything. I feel like I heard something drop. Maybe it was just me. I don't know. Okay. Oh yeah, I was at the end of the slope. Oh my god. How many do we have left? I only have one. So yeah, it was. Okay, well, I'm just gonna end it here because this is probably gonna take way too long just to make this fire truck. I mean, actually, I have a better idea. How about we do the cab for the first part and then the trailer for the second part? I think I'll do that. So once I'm done with the cab, I'll end it and do a part 2. Right now I need to look under for a piece. That sucks. I'm wasting quality time that I could be using on this. I'm just gonna have to use a Lego one. I'm not searching around all day looking for this. So I'm just gonna, oh my god. Nothing, I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay, I have one. Okay. So it looks like that. You're gonna take 2 1x2 bricks, you're gonna place them right there. And then 4 1x2 inverted 45-degree slope bricks. Right there. Next, you're gonna take a steering wheel piece in yellow. And you're gonna place the steering wheel in. I don't know why they do this, where you have to manually put the steering wheel in. It's really painful to do this right now, especially because of my dry skin. Okay. Alright, so you're going to take the steering wheel and you're going to put it right there. And you're going to take a seat right there. You're going to take this piece and set it right there. Just like that. That's why that tile is there. But surprisingly, no minifigures come in the set. So, yeah. And this is only meant for one person because you can't fit a person back there. There's no room. Well, it looks like it, but actually you don't because of the seat. The seat sticks down farther than the stud. It sticks farther out. So, yeah, it doesn't fit. Next, you're going to take a 2x3 tile and set it right on the back. And then you're going to take 2 transparent yellow by 1 round tiles. And you're going to set them here. And then you're going to take 2 of my 2 grill pieces in black. Set them right next to the yellow pieces. To the transparent yellow round tiles. Like that. And then you're going to take a 1x4 brick. And you're going to place it right there. Okay. Now you're going to take 2 1x8 plates. I'm going to set them right there. And then you're going to take 2 1x1 bricks and 2 1x3 door pieces. A left one and a right one. And then you're going to take 2 1x3 bricks in red. Oh, hold on. Hold on, I got something wrong. We're actually supposed to take, 2 1x2x2 corner bricks. Corner plates. And you set that right there. And then you put the 1x8 plates down. Okay, so now we can put the 1x1 bricks down that I said before. The 2 1x1s, the left and right 1x3 doors, and the 2 1x3 bricks. And then now, hold on. And then now you're going to take 2 1x2 plates. And then a 2x4, and then you're going to take a 2x4 brick and place it right here. So yeah. So you have the 2x4 brick, the 1x2 place, 1x3 bricks, doors, and the bricks. Okay. Okay, next you're gonna take a 2x6 plate. You're gonna put a 1x6 plate in red. And then a 1x6 plate in light bluish gray. And then you take this 1x6 tile. It doesn't have to be this printed one, it can just be a regular one. And you're gonna set it right there. And then you're gonna take 2 transparent clear round tiles, 1x1 transparent clear round tiles. And then 2 1x1 transparent clear transparent red round tiles. Sorry. And then you're going to take a 1x2 light bluish gray grill piece. And then you're just going to stick it right there. Actually, wait. Hold on. You need 2 1x6 plates. Sorry. My bad. And then the tile. Just like that. Okay. Next, you're going to take a 2x6 plate, flip it over, and you take this 2x2 plate with a hole in it, a big hole in it. And then 2 2x2 plates in the remaining areas, like that. And then you're just going to stick it right behind the cab in the remaining area. Down all the way. There we go. Yeah, just like that. Next, I'm going to take this 2x2x2 tank thing, and then you take a 1x2x2, a 2x2x1 dome brick, and put it on top. And then you're going to take a 2x2 tile with a pin sticking out of it, and then you're going to put it right there. This will be an oxygen tank. And then you're just going to stick it right there. And then you're also going to put a 1x1 stud on top. And then in the front, you're going to take 2 1x1 plates and put them on top of the 1x1 bricks in the front. Just like that. And then you're going to take the 1x6x3 pedal piece in transparent light blue. And then you're going to put a 1x2 plate under it. And put it right there. And then you're going to have 2 of these 1x2x2 column bricks, and then set them right on top of the doors. And then you're going to take the 1x2x3/4 column bricks. Then you're going to take the 1x2x1 3/4 column brick with 2 studs. And then you're going to set them right by the windshield. Just like that. And then you're going to take 2 1x2 cheese slopes in black, and then you're going to put them on the column bricks to act as mirrors. Just like that. And then you're going to take a 1x4x3 panel piece, and you're going to set it right in the back. Like that. And then you're going to take 2 of these 1x2x2 panel pieces with this print. It doesn't have to have the print. It could just be plain. Or you can put one of those Lego stickers on it. And then you're going to take 2 more 1x2x2 1x2x1 column bricks. By 1x2 column bricks. So right there. And then it's take 4 1x4 plates. Then it's actually 3 1x4 plates. And then take 4 1x2 tiles. And then you're going to fill them into the remaining areas. Just like that. I would have put one here on the original windshield, but since it was too dark, I changed it for this, and since there's nothing there, I'll just add it when I put on the roof. So we have the 4 1x2 tiles, and then the 3 1x4 plates. Next, you're going to take the 1x6 by the 4x6x1 hood piece, and then below it, turn it around, you're going to put a 1x4 plate there. And then just set it down right there. You're going to take another one and place it right in the back. Just like that. And then you're going to take a 2x6 plate, take a 2x2 tile, and then 2 2x2 transparent red tiles. Now, I know these don't exist in Lego, so you could just use 4 1x2 transparent red tiles instead. Just like that. And then set it right in the middle. And there you go. There's the cab. So I'm going to have like 2 tiller trucks maybe. I might actually keep this one because this one's actually pretty nice. I like this design. Okay. So I'm going to end it here. Because this video is getting way too long. So I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.